Good morning, it's a wonderful day. It's time for the RPES Morning Show. So reach for your best, think bigger than yourself. It's time for the RPES Morning Show.
Well, good morning, Mrs. Watts. Good evening? What day is it?
Exactly.
Wow.
Thursday, September 18th.
Yes, and we would like to welcome everyone to the open house.
Yes.
How many open houses is this for you, Mrs. Watts? Should I not mention it?
Only a few. Only a few.
Okay, yeah, me too. Well, welcome to Rensselaer Park Elementary, and we're just doing a regular old morning show to show you how it goes every morning when students arrive.
Mm-hmm.
And we're here. We get here early for hair and makeup, and then we come live on the show.
True. Yes.
Okay, so every morning we talk about a skill for the week based on the character trait that we're studying every month. And this month, for September, we are studying community. So Mrs. Watts, what is our skill?
And when we talk about skills, we tell kids it's something we can see you doing, it's something we can hear. So we're talking about following routines and expectations at recess and lunch. And we want to hear you saying, please, thank you, excuse me. So that can be the hallways. There's lots of places that we can use these manners.
Yeah, because guess what? We have to share at school. I know that in the art room, we have to share materials. We also have to share equipment on the playground, just following those daily rules and expectations keeps everyone safe here at school.
Yep.
All right. Well, let's rise and shine.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, it's a crispy chicken sandwich, the black beans, and the strawberry cup.
Sounds delicious. We also have some birthdays today. We have Cristiano and Jalen in Mr. Roman's class, a double birthday in the same class. Love that.
And our very own Miss Williams and Mrs. Tapp. Happy birthday.
And I just heard late breaking news, they're both 23 today.
Wow. Double birthday party. Sounds like fun.
Well, just a reminder that tomorrow, Friday, September 19th,
is a spirit day, and it's Fall Fancy Day. So we want to see all those fall colors.
Yes. And we love a good spirit day here at Rensselaer Park. And this one is easy. Get out your red, get out your orange, get out your yellow. Mrs. Watts and I will take it way over the top. But you could just, wear the colors.
Sure.
Okay. Now, every day we also announce our reach tickets. You want to tell us what our reach tickets are?
We are looking for kids who are showing respect, responsibility, enthusiasm, achievement, cooperation, and hard work. And also they're highlighting our character traits. So anyone in the building can give anyone else in the building a reach ticket. And we talk about them on the morning show. So an example is I gave one to Haley in Miss Lott's class. Amazing job in small group, listening to others and raising her hand to share ideas. Thank you.
Yeah, and you might see this come home in their take-home folder. Yeah. So after they're announced on the morning show, we send them home, and hopefully you'll get to see it. All right, we also had Oliver in Mrs. Barber's class. After being absent, Oliver was very checked in about homework he missed and got it done right away. Way to be responsible.
Justice from Mr. White, helping Mr. Hupful clean up leftover lunch trays that were left on the table by classmates.
That's one of our skills that we're working on. Brianne, Trent, and Anthony got one from Mr. Gregory. Great job participating and staying on task during our math groups every day so far. Again, applying those rules.
Catherine from Isabella in Mr. Gregory's class. Thank you for being a good friend in PE and helping me focus and play better.
Love it. Okay, and at our monthly Character Ed assembly, we also have a special recognition, and that is the Shining Knight Award. So about half of the teachers every month pick a Shining Knight, and that is someone who is displaying the reach characteristics every single day consistently without being asked. It is someone that really stands out to them. And so about half the teachers choose it one month and then half the other month, and we keep alternating back and forth. So Mrs. Watson and I have been busy revamping our Shining Knights display case. So on your way out, right across from the office, you might notice it. And right now there are question marks in all of those little frames. So this time next month, those frames will be filled with pictures of our students, the ones that were chosen as the Shining Knights. So it'll be pretty exciting, Mrs. Watson.
It is going to be exciting.
All right. Now, it is open house. And I guess we should introduce our principals. So, Mrs. Nelson and Mr. Hustle, come on down.
You're on the Price is Right. We are. Good evening. I'm used to saying good morning and welcome to Rensselaer Park for our open house. I'm Mrs. Nelson. I'm our building principal.
Good evening, I'm Mr. Humphrey, the assistant principal of Rensselaer Park.
And I'm very excited that the morning show crew decided that they would put this together so you guys could see what a morning show is, what our kids see every morning, and just the amazing work that they do. And we wanted to make sure we welcomed you. We're not doing an official presentation, but if you're not in the classroom meeting your child's teacher and hearing from them, we'll be stationed throughout the building or in the courtyard in the front of the building. When you walk in, there's bingo cards, and on the bingo cards, there's a bunch of different people that you can meet, service providers, teachers in the building that you might not see in the classroom, PTA. If you get 5 in a row, and you get a free space too with our night, there are raffles that will be picked. If you get bingo, you just hand it in to Miss Watts, who you just heard from. We will pick the winners after open house, and we'll give you guys a call. Everything will be stationed in the courtyard, but we're really excited to welcome you, and we hope you have a great year together.
Look forward to seeing you and come say hi.
And now we're going to dominate the Principal's Challenge.
Well, not yet. See, dun, 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 dun. Okay, another special part of our morning show that happens every Friday, but we're going to bring it to you live on Thursday, is our Principal's Challenge, where our principals challenge 2 teachers to a challenge, or actually I challenge everybody to a challenge. Last week we had a blindfolded ice cream testing contest, and unfortunately the principals won that, and we cannot let this happen because last year, what was it, like 25-2?
Well, what we learned about the challenge last week was Mrs. Nelson is really good at rock, paper, scissors, is what it comes down to.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
All right, well, what do you got for us today?
All right, well, let's flip the camera around, and I'm going to introduce 2 of our competitors, Miss Zibro and Mrs. Akotz. And I didn't pick Mrs. Akotz for any specific reason today, not that it was a baseball challenge or anything like that, and she's a baseball coach. I didn't do that on purpose.
We just happen to be in the hall.
Just happened to be in the hall. Okay.
Right place, right time.
Being that so many of you, Mr. Williams will probably go this way, here, Mrs. Watts, are participating in fall ball, doing some baseball and softball. I saw this at my daughter's softball practice, and I was like, this looks pretty tricky, and it looks like it would be a good principal challenge. So here's the way it's going to work. You're going to hold the ball in one hand. At the same time, you're going to pass the ball, and the other person has to catch it. And you're going to keep going until somebody inevitably drops it. Okay, stop, Mrs. Watts. Okay, so very simple. You'll pass the ball back and forth. Whoever drops it first. Come on, teachers, we need you here. We really need you. All right.
My heels are on. Yeah.
Mrs. Nelson, can you remove your Hey.
Did you play softball or baseball? Okay, good.
Right here, I love it.
All right.
Overhand, underhand, doesn't matter.
I mean under.
Mr. Williams, are you going to get some music for us? Yeah. Okay, so Miss Akotz, how do you feel about this?
Feel good. I'm a little unsure about my partner's confidence. I feel great.
Okay, and Miss Nelson, how do you feel? You feel like
I feel great.
you feel up for any challenge?
Super
All right.
The ice cream challenge, really?
Still one. On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, everyone hold on to your ball. Take a step backward.
We both took a really big step. You have bigger legs than me.
Okay, go.
Watch me on this ball. How did
Yeah. Sorry.
A little further.
Got it.
Okay, you guys are too good. Everyone hold. Take a step back.
Me too, but I don't. It's my boyfriend.
I thought of that. You guys are gonna run out of space.
Don't worry, I'll take it.
One hand. Sorry, Liberal. The hand-eye coordination is pretty good.
That's called Patucci. I can tell you.
All right, hold on. Take one step back.
Oh my goodness.
I said she's gonna run into the screen. I wasn't joking. Are you
Guess
okay?
what? That was not on camera. We did not get you on camera. Wait, do we let you
She dropped
on
it.
that?
Did you drop the ball?
That's so not fair. There's obstacles. Okay, come this way. I'll start this way.
I'm a little nervous now. A little hard.
A little harder. Got it.
All right.
I got it.
Go.
Rari.
That was really high.
Go. Good. Is mine?
Good.
I really got communication. Sorry.
How is it?
God, we're picking up this line over here.
Wait, what's
going?
Are we good? Go.
Gone.
I think I caught that. All right, we're gonna have to get you harder. Faster. Faster. Gosh, you guys are better than
That was not my Everybody, I redeemed myself from the ice cream challenge.
Okay. Well, congratulations. You guys got your exercise in for today, and you're a lot better than 8 to 10 at that game. I'll just tell you that right now. But it is going to be a great evening here at Rensselaer Park. So remember to
Reach for your best, think bigger than yourself.